This 2015 Grand Design Momentum 380th is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Tyler, Texas, 75706 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Tyler. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 124 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, kitchen island, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.